The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. The World Bank has included Jamaica among 7 established emerging market debt issuers adopting sounder public debt management strategies, including local currency bond markets that have allowed governments to reduce dependence on external funding and exposure to currency risks. In its 2014 World Development Report entitled Risk and Opportunity, Managing Risk for Development, the World Bank lists Jamaica among Brazil, Colombia, Mexico, Peru, Turkey, and Uruguay as countries which have changed the tenure and profile of their domestic debt to instruments such as 30-year bonds to reduce the risk of refinancing. How has the Jamaican dollar fared today? Well, the local dollar weakened against the American dollar and the British pound, but strengthened against the Canadian dollar. In other words, the benchmark American dollar strengthened by 7 Jamaican cents, closing at a new record high average selling rate of $104.66, whilst sterling advanced by 30 Jamaican cents to close at $168.15. However, the Canadian dollar weakened by 68 cents Jamaican to close at $101.16. News on the Jamaican stock market now, and following 2 days of losses, the Jamaican market rebounded somewhat today, mainly aided by a 1.3% gain by heavily traded blue chip Scotia Group. The main JC index advanced by 394 points, or 0.5%. 31 stocks traded, with 12 advancing, 10 declining, and 9 holding firm. Recognizing what he views as a major need for home ownership education, Jamaica National's Assistant General Manager Mortgages, Earl Samuels, tells us JN will be rolling out a series of home ownership seminars across the island.
We plan 8 for the rest of the financial year. We're going to have 2 in the corporate area, 1 in Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Mandeville, Clarendon, in the major centers where people prefer to live.
Finally, in our business intelligence feature, counterfeit $1,000 bills like this one spotted by an alert cashier at a Kingston OTB are being presented to businesses which only handle cash. Counterfeiters are targeting businesses which don't utilize electronic media such as credit and debit cards. Businesses, train your cashiers to recognize fake bills. Still in business intelligence, I understand that an American hedge fund is interested in acquiring the Windham New Kingston property, and the news is that, subject to an agreement with creditors, the New Kingston landmark could reopen for business in March 2014. It's good news for the Jamaican-based bank, which has been carrying it as a hefty non-performing loan for some time. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.